Yeah, sure. First thing, I want to speak about the trend that has come and stayed, and that is all about the speed of content creation. People are always consistently looking for how you can create content faster. There's always been a need for creating as much content as fast as possible. But what we're seeing right now is there's a lot of people out there that are creating a lot of content, but the quality of the content is not so great. So now there is a demand for creating high quality content. How do you create that high quality content? And if you're creating high quality content, people need to make sure, especially organizations, that that content is personalized. And when I'm talking about personalized, I'm talking about the content needs to be personalized for the business itself. So it needs to be relevant to the business and the audience that they're looking for. We were going through a phase where it was all about creating as much content as possible, as fast as possible. But now the actual content, the personalization of the content is way more important than creating as much content as you can. Now, one of the trends which has come, and it's still kind of there, it's not going to go away, is the whole AI side. How are people using AI to create content? And we went through a phase where people started to use AI to generate content. And now I need to go back to when I was talking about the quality and the personalization of the content. If you're using AI to create content, it's never going to create, not right now anyway, it's not going to be able to create the content that organizations need when it comes to quality and the personalization of the content itself. So how people are looking at AI now is how can we use AI to solve that first problem, creating content faster? How can you use AI to support you in creating content? Don't go ahead and create the content, help us create the content. And some of the things that people are looking at is use AI for hints on the content to create. So let AI tell you what's trending in the market. Let AI tell you what content of yours is stale or might need updating. But then let AI take care of the mundane tasks, the SEO of the content, the tagging of the content, the alt tag of the images. These are the kind of trends that we're seeing right now. And something which is really taken a step forward with regards to content trends is something that was thought about, I'd say about 10 years ago, which is a true single source of truth for your content. You know, everyone's been looking for that omni-channel approach for your content, but they still have multiple applications. But right now it's getting more and more important. If we're talking about content quality and the personalization of content, you've also now got to think about where that content is being delivered and how you can deliver that content to multiple different devices, multiple different websites, multiple different regions, and make it easy to manage all of that content.